When traveling to Thailand to conduct training recently, a ship carrying equipment for the 25th Infantry Division took water, extensively damaging some of their Humvees. Instead of scrapping some water-damaged vehicles, Material Support Command Korea took on the job of restoring them to full operational capability.
Something that I thought was an impossible mission actually turned out pretty good. When I heard that these Humvees had been submerged in seawater, my initial thoughts were, there's no way we can repair these vehicles. But the vehicles came, they had time to dry during the transition, and so our mechanics took a look and they did the very best they could. The employees here did an absolutely fantastic job.
Whether engine work, electronics, interior, or any other area of automotive repair, MSCK had no problem getting these trucks back in the fight.
Oh, it's amazing. I mean, what we did was bring vehicles that were totally submerged underwater in seawater back to like new status, fully mission capable, and ready to go.
Army Sergeant Kelly Wiebe, Camp Carroll, Korea.